Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to blur part of a video in CapCut. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'm just going to go ahead and tap a new project right here just for you to see. Now, for example, I'm going to be using this video right here. Okay, just going to tap on add and wait for it to load. Now, for example, I'm going to go ahead and blur this particular image. Okay. Now, what do I do? All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and tap on overlay right here at the bottom. Tap on it and tap on overlay. Now go ahead and add in the same video. Like so, I'm going to hit on add. Now I'm going to move it from the start. Just tap and hold. Move it to the far left. Now tap on the second video right here. Now you can go ahead and use crop. Okay. Look for the option transform, resize, tap on custom, use these points like so. I'm going to move it just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to hit on the check mark. Okay. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and make it smaller like so. And move it right here. It depends on you. Just go and play around with this step. Okay. There are a ton of blurring options, but this one I find much better. Okay. I'm going to tap on it again. And I'm going to go ahead over to the options right here and look for effect. Okay. Tap on effects. Now tap on video effects. Now in here, just look for blur. Okay. Tap on blur. And as you can see here, as easy as that, we just blurred a part of a video here in CapCut. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.